Hello everyone, Ngiyanothisanoke and welcome to my channel. A man has been arrested in the Eastern Cape for pretending to be a whole doctor and running a private practice without any medical qualifications. This guy is known as Dr. L.S. Njonga. He had a fully equipped surgery and treated patients while pretending to be a real doctor. Police shut down the practice after getting a tip-off. Now, health officials have confirmed that Njonga is not a qualified doctor. Investigations are underway to find out what kind of treatments he gave and if any patients were harmed. The public is being warned to always check if a doctor is properly registered and to report anyone who seems suspicious. This one surpassed the bogus Dr. Lani. Dr. Lani was predominantly on TikTok, and TikTok does not pay South African content creators. So a good part of what he was doing was just for vibes, but not this Eastern Cape doctor. This Eastern Cape doctor was making a killing. The guy was doing consultations, so let's say he was charging 600 rands per consultation and maybe seeing 25 patients per day. He made 15,000 rands a day. But if you multiply that by 24 days, which he likely worked in a month, he made 360,000 rands. Approximately every month, guaranteed, at the expense of people who were sick and genuinely thought he was a doctor. I say Mbi. It was likely vulnerable and elderly people because that regalia and that prof title, the writing was on the wall. That regalia resembles that one Yabo Sillo Make when they got their bogus honorary doctorates.